The goal of our Living Labs project is to restore a little bit of additional native habitat on the St. Paul campus. We will be restoring an area that was planted as prairie but has been degraded by a couple of invasive species. So we'll get rid of those invasive species and then reintroduce native grasses and wildflowers that will provide a little bit of habitat on campus for native pollinators. In particular, we'll be doing this planting to enhance the opportunities for native pollinators, both bees and butterflies, on campus to have a place where there's some resources for them, some flowers that are providing nectar and pollen. Both leafy spurge and reed canary grass are pretty aggressive weeds, and they've taken over this site. We're going to have to spend quite a bit of time to manage those weeds before we can actually restore the native grasses and wildflowers back to this site. And our project will complement the Community Connections Garden, which is on the other side of Skoke Hall. So there will be a little more of a target for these species to come to, something they can find, a little bigger patch of nature for them. The plants will just be a gorgeous backdrop to the courtyard outside of Skoke Hall, and we'll plan to have some species that are blooming from early in the season until late in the season to provide kind of season-long wildflowers blooming and resources for the pollinators.